In the current business landscape, where competition is fierce and customer expectations are high, small businesses need to embrace every advantage available to not only survive, but thrive. Artificial intelligence, once a concept confined to science fiction, is now a readily accessible and powerful tool that can revolutionize how small businesses operate and grow. AI isn't about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying it, allowing businesses to work smarter, not harder. One of the most impactful ways AI can contribute to growth is by elevating the customer experience. Imagine a small boutique where customers are greeted by an AI-powered chatbot that not only provides instant answers to common questions about store hours or return policies, but also offers personalized style advice based on their past purchases and browsing history. This not only frees up staff to focus on more complex customer interactions, but also creates a personalized shopping experience that fosters loyalty. Beyond chatbots, AI algorithms can analyze customer data to provide tailored product recommendations, much like how Netflix suggests shows or Amazon recommends products. This increases sales by introducing customers to items they might not have discovered on their own, and strengthens customer relationships by demonstrating an understanding of their individual needs and preferences. AI also enables targeted marketing campaigns, ensuring that the right message reaches the right customer at the right time. Instead of generic email blasts, AI can segment audiences based on demographics, purchase history, and online behavior, allowing businesses to personalize offers and promotions for maximum impact. Beyond enhancing customer interactions, AI can significantly improve efficiency by automating tedious and time-consuming tasks. Imagine a small bakery where AI analyzes past sales data and predicts daily demand for different types of bread and pastries. This allows the bakery to optimize ingredient orders, minimize waste, and ensure they have the right amount of each item available to meet customer demand without overstocking. Social media management can also be streamlined with AI, which can schedule posts at optimal times, analyze performance metrics, and even suggest engaging content ideas, ensuring a consistent online presence without constant manual effort. Similarly, AI can automate email marketing campaigns, personalizing email sequences, tracking open rates, and optimizing send times to maximize engagement and conversions. Even mundane tasks like data entry and processing can be handled by AI, which can extract information from documents, update spreadsheets, and generate reports with greater speed and accuracy than humans, reducing errors and freeing up staff for more strategic work. AI doesn't just automate, it illuminates. By analyzing business data, AI unlocks valuable insights that drive data-driven decision-making. A local bookstore, for example, can use AI to analyze sales data and identify trends in popular genres, authors, and formats. This information can inform purchasing decisions, ensuring the store stocks books that are most likely to resonate with its customer base and maximize profits. AI can also forecast sales trends, providing valuable information for inventory management, staffing decisions, and marketing strategies. By identifying potential risks and opportunities, AI empowers businesses to make proactive decisions that support sustainable growth. Furthermore, AI can conduct market research, analyzing competitor activity, identifying emerging trends, and providing valuable market intelligence that allows small businesses to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing customer preferences. AI isn't just about optimizing existing operations, it's about unlocking new possibilities and driving innovation. Imagine a small software company using AI to analyze user feedback, app usage patterns, and online reviews to identify unmet needs and pain points. This information can then be used to inform the development of new features and functionalities that enhance the user experience and attract new customers. AI can even assist in the design and prototyping process, generating 3D models and simulations based on specific parameters and requirements. This allows businesses to experiment with new ideas and bring innovative products and services to market faster and more efficiently. By analyzing market data, AI can also identify promising new customer segments or geographic areas for expansion, helping businesses reach new markets and diversify their revenue streams. In the race to succeed, AI can provide the winning edge. Imagine a small restaurant using AI to analyze online reviews, social media sentiment, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and address customer concerns proactively. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also builds a positive online reputation that attracts new patrons. AI can also enable dynamic pricing strategies, analyzing market conditions, competitor pricing, and customer demand to optimize pricing in real time. This allows businesses to remain competitive while maximizing profitability. By automating tasks and providing data-driven insights, AI enables agile operations, allowing small businesses to adapt quickly to changing market conditions, seize new opportunities, and outperform larger, less nimble competitors. In conclusion, AI is transforming the landscape for small businesses, offering a wealth of opportunities to optimize operations, enhance customer relationships, and unlock new levels of growth. By embracing AI-powered solutions, small businesses can elevate the customer experience, automate tedious tasks, make data-driven decisions, fuel innovation, and gain a competitive edge. The key is to start small, experiment with different AI applications, and gradually integrate this powerful technology into various aspects of the business. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for small businesses are limitless.